One more thing I wanted to talk about for BloodRunes. There is a variant, and it's covered on the back page here of the rule book. I like symmetric games, but there's a lot of people who like asymmetric games as well. So the base game of BloodRunes is all symmetric, but if you flip these guys over, each clan has its own clan attribute that you can add to the game to make it a little bit more asymmetric than the base game. So we'll just go through those real quick. The blue starts off with one additional random ward spell. So you would get one spell from the deck. So when you start, you get your random one spell, and then you'll get one blue spell. And the way that I usually like to do the random spells is I just go through the deck until a blue one pops up, and that's the blue one that I get. The green, their clan attribute is one additional random green spell. So I would have my first starter spell, and then my second starter spell would be a random green card. So just go through until I get a random green one, and there you go. For yellow, you get one additional random spell of any type. So just when you're shuffling and when you're taking it off, just give that player 2 spells, and they have it. And now their spell book can hold up to 7 spells. Normally in the game, you can only hold 6 spells in front of you. Any more than that, and you have to play them, you cannot discard spells. You must play them. So being able to have up to 7 is pretty handy. For the red player, they don't get any additional spells. They only start off with 1 spell, just like the base game, but you can see they can have up to 7 acolytes. So instead of just 6, they have a maximum of 7. So not too helpful in the beginning of the game, but can be very handy towards the end. And that's how you play the BloodRunes variant. Happy raiding.